Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Yeah. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items. Number two on my list. Pen. Don't know why. Pen and paper. Okay, got to be able to write down your thoughts if you need to, your coordinates, your whatevers. Okay, notes. Excuse me. But yeah, so you got to be able to do that. And this is the Bic Whiteout Shake and Squeeze marker. Okay, I thought it was pretty cool. It'll work, right? Whiteout marker. Shake it. Shake well before use. Remove cap. Squeezy. Yeah, it writes. It writes. And that's all you need, right? Is for it to write. It worky. Always recycle. Yeah. Let me see if I can get some of that crusty out. Wouldn't come off. But yeah, Bic. They make lighters, they make pens, they make markers. It's a correction pen. Whiteout correction pen. So, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.